the weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 336 has been issued from 1:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fool Island, Maryland. The following is an excessive